Happy Friday, y'all. What's up? Welcome back. Question for you. Do you have an issue with overspending, or you see something, you gotta have it, you purchase it, you put it in the bag, you either swipe your credit card or charge it, whatever. Do you have a issue with saving money for the things that you want to buy, making these big purchases? If so, tune in. Welcome, y'all. My name is Latasha Brown. I am a wife, mom, and career entrepreneur. My hopes is that when you land on this channel, that you leave feeling informed, inspired, and ignited, and that you leave filled up with hope, that you landed in a safe space, because this here channel is a no judgment zone. So welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I greatly appreciate you. So today we're going to dive into this topic, and I'm going to share with you a way that you can save money, spend money more wisely, strategically plan for purchases and things that you want to buy. So we're going to dive right in. But before we dive in, do me a great big favor, you all. I would appreciate it. Like this video, leave me a comment, drop a comment, let's engage, and subscribe to my channel if you like things such as, topics on budgeting wisely, saving money, earning money, getting you build up with inspiration and motivation on your journey, and guidance and resources when it comes to taking actionable steps so that you can accomplish your financial goals. I am your girl. I would love to have you a part of the Abundant Tribe and community. We are pumped up over here. We are full of abundance and inspiration over here. So it's free 99, and I would love for you to be a part of the Abundant Tribe. So subscribe to my channel and bang on that notification bell so that you're notified when I drop another video. So we're gonna dive right into this topic, y'all. All right, y'all, let's talk about sinking funds. How can we save and spend wisely? Many people in the budgeting community, personal finance community, use sinking funds. And today I just want to share with you a way that you can literally start to spend money more wisely, save for the things that you want to do, the purchases that you want to make, and not worry about going over budget. I mean, this is a personal finance tool, a powerful personal finance tool that will help you strategically plan for big purchases and spending. And it's the intentional practice of just setting aside money to pay for larger expenses. And before we dive in, just let me reflect back. When I wanted something, I had to have it, right? So I would either, borrow money or charge it. But here's the thing with charging it, you pay more for longer. And when you plan for it, you can get a better deal, a better cash offer, and save a fortune from interest. It's all about timing. Either you wait and pay, or charge it and pay more. Or, you know, build up the behavior and the mindset to save and spend wisely. And that's what sinking funds will allow us to do. So let's dive right in. What are sinking funds and why should you consider? Sinking funds is just simply money that you save each month to put towards a one-time expense or an irregular expense. This helps you plan for your spending to avoid dipping into your emergency fund or avoid going in further debt. So I know you may be like, okay, so what is the difference between an emergency fund and a sinking fund?
Emergency fund is just simply that. I will link a video up to where I explain emergency funds and what you can use emergency funds for. But emergency fund is just simply that. You use it for emergency. But sinking funds allow you to strategically plan for things that you want to purchase. And we'll get more into what can you save for in a sinking fund. It helps you be prepared for specific events and expenses so that you will not be scrambling to pay. It helps you to prepare for birthdays or baby showers or remodels, repairs, car purchases. It allows you to get ahead of future things that occur to avoid going outside the budget or overspending. Registrations and tax bills on your car, or taxes that you may have on your home. If you don't have a mortgage and your house is paid for, you may have to pay that yearly or annual tax bill. So it allows you to prepare for that. So how to use it? So the first thing you want to do is just set a target amount to save for a specific item, event, occasion, or expense. Name it. I always say name something. When you name something, you're giving it a function. For example, luxurious vacation. Hey, me and my husband, we need to take a vacation. I need to put that on my sinking fund list. Yearly tax fund, house maintenance, kitchen upgrade, well care. That could be something that's in the health and wellness, vitamins, co-pays. It allows you to plan ahead to prepare for those type of expenses. Family explore trip, Katie's school fund for, school trips, projects, stuff that our kids often may have. It helps us to prepare for those. And then once you set a target amount to save for and you name it, now it's time to be specific on the amount you're applying to the fund. So once you set a target amount, so for example, you did your research, the luxurious vacation is going to be $1,800, $1,500. You have that target amount. Now it's time to be specific on the amount you're applying to the fund. So, for example, your yearly tax fund is, or your tax bill is $1,800. So monthly, you're looking at getting that done in 12 months. So monthly, you can realistically save $150. So you should be done and completed with that fund within 12 months. And then you can pay that bill off in full at the end of that 12 months. You don't have to worry about being out of budget. You can breathe. Because I know when those things sneak up on us and it gets outside of the budget, now you're in panic mode. But this allows you to prepare. And then you can automate it into a separate savings account or use the cash envelope to save. And then measure your progress often to make sure that you're on track based on your time frame. So example sinking funds, car purchase, tax bills, holiday shopping, travel, repairs, remodels, appliances, college funds, down payment, medical procedures, weddings, honeymoons, special occasion, anniversary. These are examples of sinking funds. These are things that are not typical emergency, but they may come up throughout the year, and it help us to strategically plan for these expenses or events so that you will not go outside of your budget. It's literally a game changer. Just being able to send $20 or $50 or however to different um whatever the event or the expense is, just to help you prepare. And what it mean, it allows you to just sit down and just plan, be intentional with your planning, and look at over your months to come and say, hey, I have this coming up. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting a few dollars aside for this so it won't hit me all at once. That's how we spend wisely. That's how we save wisely. And that's how we strategically plan. So if you currently have a sinking fund, drop some inspiration in the comments. Let us know what you're currently saving for. Let us know your process. If you're like me, I'm a digital saver. I don't do I do the cashless envelope. So I use Ally Bank. Ally has buckets, and you can allocate different money, set aside different money for in different buckets and name those buckets. So I can name a bucket for holidays and put $5-10 in there a month, or repairs and put $20 to $50 in there a month, and I can see the progress of that. A lot of people in the community does cash envelopes, so they stuff their sinking funds in envelopes, and each month they count it and track it. They have a tracking sheet where they track their progress. And I mean, that works. It works. Whatever works for you, whether you're doing cashless or cash envelopes, you know, just inspire, be inspired by the fact that you're strategically planning your spending so that you will not be you won't panic when things come up, or trying to scramble and find money, or use a credit card or borrow money. You're strategically planning and preparing to remove and alleviate the panic. So I hope that this helps, a great way to just get on the other side of saving money and spending wisely. So drop a comment, engage with me. Let me know if this was helpful, if this was valuable for you. I look forward to engaging with you in the comments. Have the most abundant weekend, and I will see you soon. Sunday, don't forget to tune in for Moms and Money series. We're going to be bringing on Tasha with Mind Your Money, and she's going to be talking to us about self-care and budgeting. Y'all, it's going to be very inspiring. It's something that us moms need to remember and need to be reminded of. So I look so forward into that. And then there's going to be a giveaway, so you do not want to miss out. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you bang on that notification bell and tune in this Sunday, Mother's Day. Oh my gosh, happy early Mother's Day. And at 2:00 p.m. Eastern, and we're going to dive into some great topics. I cannot wait. So thank you for rocking it out with me. Have the most wonderful weekend and abundant day. All right, y'all. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.